Okay, I want to make this video, it's gonna be a very short video, but I want to show you what I got from Amazon, the baby shower welcome package that I got from Amazon. And I also want to show you what I got from the parents. My amazing parents gave me some gifts too. I did get an Amazon gift card from one of the parents, which is like $50. I don't have that here, you know. I already put it on my Amazon account, but I'm very grateful to my parents. They are amazing in every single way. So this is the Amazon welcome box for my baby shower, because when you have a baby shower registry on Amazon, at a certain point, I think they say you have to purchase like $10 worth of gifts from the baby shower. Then they send you this welcome box. So let's see what we have in here. It comes in this bag, you know, all packaged up. It comes in this bag. It just says baby registry here. Okay, so it does have these little cards here: tear-free formula, scan to shop. These are just like you know, adverts, discount cards, stretches to hold 30% more. This is Glad, which you're gonna need. And this is upside down. This is what is this? Let's see. Just a little note from them: love your welcome bags, purchase any item in 3 easy steps, download, scan and add. So this is just a little info from them. So this is one of the Glad Flex seal that comes with it. This is Ziploc bags, it looks like. I'm gonna open it and see when the time comes. Yeah, they are Ziploc bags for 1 quart Ziploc bag. Okay, that came in it. Let's see, just one. Oh, Aquaphor. I love Aquaphor. I always have like a big container of Aquaphor here, so this I might just use for myself one time. All right, and then there's another pack here. This says Drift Stage 1 Newborn. What is this? It is number 1 choice, hypoallergenic, perfect for baby's first laundry. Oh, it's a detergent. Okay, pretty good. Have these travel pack Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo, which I'm gonna put in the baby wash container. For face and body. Okay, some more of these. That is beautiful. New Amazon baby registry, 10% off. Look at that. But I have all of these already from the baby shower. And then there's water wipes. This I'm gonna include in my hospital bag, which I'm creating little by little. There is just water wipes, you know, gentle on the baby. And it says a gift for me. This looks like a onesie, I think. It's a hat, a glove, a sock, you know, all kinds of stuff in here. I think I'm gonna put this in the baby hospital bag, which I'm starting to put together. Okay, this is Huggies special delivery, free of parabens. Yep, just like a sample bag. Okay, so it's 3 diapers up to 14 pounds. I love that too. And I think I'm gonna put this in I'm gonna add this to the baby to my hospital bag, you know, for when I when I go in labor. This is Philip Advent, the most natural way to bottle feed. Love that. Special gift inside. I do think it's a pacifier, but till I open it and see, we'll see. This came too. This is just a hand sanitizer, fragrance free. I'm gonna put this in the baby in my hospital bag as well. And then I think this is the onesie I was talking about. So Simple Joys by Carter's. Find joy in the simplest of ways. Yeah, this looks like a onesie. Looks like it. Yep. And more of these. So that's all I got in my Amazon welcome box. I'm not really impressed. Just sample sizes, and I'm grateful. What can I say? Okay, so gonna show you something from a parent right here. Let's move this aside. This is right here in this room is the baby's nursery, and we are still working on it. My husband and his brother put that together yesterday. That is so cute. That's so cute. And when this is all done, I'm gonna show it to you. But for right now, they're still working on it. Not done yet. Okay. So go to the next one. This is from one of the parents. That's just wrapping paper. And then she had this beautiful card here. I'm not gonna open this right now because the kids' names are in here. But she had a very nice card with beautiful words for me in here, and I will cherish this forever. I always keep my cards from parents, and I think that one of these days I'm going to read it for you guys. They are beautiful words that once in a while, when you're just sitting down and you need to think of good thoughts, you need to be happy, you open these cards, you read them, and you feel fulfilled. So I put this aside, add it to my other cards that I have. And she had this beautiful mini mat Bapron bib bundle. This is gonna be a while till the baby uses this, and I love gifts like this. This gift is way into the future, maybe when the baby is like 7 or 8 months, something like that. They can use this. This is beautiful. That's nice cover up bib and plates, and these plates are suction plates, and they're very, very pretty. Very pretty, and you can see that they are high quality. See, placemat plate in one, bib apron hybrid. It's beautiful. Actually 6 months and up. So babies grow fast. So this, I'm gonna be using this real soon. I think it's in my mind, I'm like, oh, it's way in the future, but 6 months comes so quick you won't even believe it. So this is right here. It just comes with some of these cards. You know how they do. They show you what other products they have, and then there are spoons, that the baby can easily grip and hold on to when they start their little motion movements. When they eat, with spoons and forks and whatever. So I'm gonna put this away for now, but I know I'll be needing it pretty soon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Karen. This is amazing. Amazing. Okay, so let's get another box. This is from another parent. See if I can open this. I'm gonna turn this off and then open it and come back. Okay, look at that. This is from another amazing parent. Look at that. This is gonna go in the baby's library. I don't have the library set up yet, but it's gonna be up there. So there's a really nice, beautiful collection of books, and this is going to be part of it. Who changed the world? Inventors who changed the world, little heroes. This is nice. So there's a book, and there's this beautiful pacifier and toy. Baby so far has a lot of pacifiers. I don't know what he's gonna choose or pick what is gonna be his favorite. Now this right here is going to be his very first stuffed animal. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. Then put it in his crib, and this will be his very first stuffed animal. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. This is Snugged by Dream Collection long sleeve body suits. Here we go. Here we go, people. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna add this to the hospital bag too. See how my hospital bag is all packed already with this free stuff I'm getting. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Really nice, soft. Really nice, soft and elegant baby toy. Beautiful. Okay. Here's the foodies. Just some boots. Gonna put this in the hospital bag too for the baby. I tell you guys, my hospital bag is packed already. Put this in the hospital bag. There's a rattle. This is going in the baby's hospital bag. It's beautiful. Look at that. There is another onesie here. I don't know how big my baby will be yet. But this is pretty. This is pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. And just one of these little cards you get. This is beautiful. See? So this is Honeybug. Say Honeybug package. All of these are just packing stuff. So it's trash after all. Well, thank you, parent. Thank you for all these beautiful gifts. Thank you so much. There's one more. It's not over yet. Stay with me. There's one more here. Look at that. There we go. This is the last box, not the least. Look at these. This is the stuff, milestone markers, milestone blocks. Beautiful, so pretty. I love these. I'm gonna put this aside. Put this aside in the baby's closet for when we're ready for that. And they had these little jackets in here. One, there's another one. Beautiful. Look at that. There's another one. Lumberjack. Can't wait to dress the baby up, guys. Look at that. And here we go. These ones are onesies, 3 onesies. These I think most of these outfits, they're gonna go in the hospital bag. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yep. So that's just the box. These boxes are so cute. I want to keep them, but come on now, Brenda. The teacher in me says you're gonna need that, keep it. But then I'm like, no, I don't need this. It's trash. It's recycling. Put it out for recycling on Wednesday. It's beautiful. Excuse me. Alright, you can see how blessed we are. We have the best of parents, the best of parents. You know, they gave us this great stuff, some gift cards, lots of nice words, and I'm so grateful as always. So grateful to have the parents that we have here. They are the best. I have no complaints about them. Thank you so much, parents. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I'm going to be sharing more, as much as I can, of my pregnancy and delivery process, and I hope you stay with me. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't want to forget to tell you that. Hit that subscribe button for more fun baby daycare education stuff, and peace out.